It all started in late August when Edo and I flew to San Francisco, checked out the famous bridge and the hilly streets, and then headed out into the national parks of the American West Coast. In the coming episodes, I will cover the hikes we did and the roads we drove on our awesome 3-week road trip. First stop, Kings Canyon National Park. The Mist Falls hike goes alongside the Kings River, while gradually climbing towards the final view, the falls. For a day hike, it's pretty varied. We walked in a forest, in a meadow, climbed up the rocks to great views of a valley, and of course, saw a lot of water. The beautiful ride led us to General Grove, where we finally saw the first sequoias. It is hard to describe and even depict with a video how massive those trees are. Here we saw the second largest tree in the world, surprise surprise, named General Grant Tree. More than 80 meters in height, this tree was huge.